I'm through with standing in line. The clubs I'll never get in. It's like the bottom of the ninth, and I'm never gonna win this. Life hasn't turned out quite the way I want it to be.
Tell me what you want.
I want a brand new house on an episode of Cribs, and a bathroom I can play baseball in, and a king-size tub big enough for 10 plus me.
So what you need?
I'll need a credit card that's got no limit.
Hey.
And a big black jet with
Who the heck parked their truck out here?
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Why? Is that your truck?
Yeah.
Oh. That's your Ford Ranger? No kidding. Do you like it?
Yep.
You like driving it?
Yep.
Can't hear you. Did you say yep?
Yes, I did say yes. Ooh.
Well, there it is. Your semi-new but older Ford Ranger.